Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to reset your password for Teachable account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Open up a web browser to get started. Once you are in the URL box, type in teachable.com and search. You will end up in the official website for Teachable. Once you get to the home page, click on the Creator Login button at the top right. You will then be taken to the login screen for Teachable, where you need to enter your email and password. If you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link. On the next page, type in your email address associated with your account. Now, click on Send Me Instructions. You will now receive an email with a link to reset your account's password, so open up your email inbox. You will receive a password reset instruction on your email. Simply click it open and click on Change My Password. It'll now redirect you to the teachable.com's password reset page where you can enter your new password. After you type in the new password, confirm the new password by entering it again on the next field. Finally, click on Set Password and you will then end up in the home page of your Teachable account, which means you have successfully logged in and also changed your password that you've previously forgotten. So that's how you easily reset your password for a Teachable account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.